Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is G. In this episode we'll review the beautiful and gorgeous hypercar, the Apollo EVO, and let's see how we can draw out this unique badass sports car. So without any further delay, let's get started. What's up everybody, let's take a look at the Italian hypercar, the Apollo EVO. This car is set to revolutionize the automotive industry with its cutting-edge features and advanced technology. With keywords such as performance, innovation, and luxury, this next-generation vehicle promises to deliver an unparalleled driving experience. One of the key highlights of the 2022 Apollo EVO is its powerful engine, designed to provide exceptional performance on both city streets and open highways. Equipped with state-of-the-art technology, this vehicle offers seamless acceleration and precise handling, making every drive a thrilling adventure. In terms of innovation, the 2022 Apollo EVO boasts a range of intelligent features that enhances convenience and safety. For advanced driver assistance systems to intuitive infotainment controls, this car seamlessly integrates technology into every aspect of the driving experience. Not only does the 2022 Apollo EVO excels in performance and innovation, but it also brings forth luxury from every angle. With its sleek design, premium materials, and meticulous craftsmanship, this vehicle offers sophisticated, refined aesthetics that is sure to turn heads wherever it goes. As we enter into a new era of automotive excellence in 2024, the Apollo EVO stands out as a true game changer. With its unrivaled combination of performance, innovation, and luxury, this vehicle sets a new standard for what drivers can expect from their cars. Get ready to embark on an extraordinary journey behind the wheel of the 2022 Apollo EVO, where driving becomes an art form. So what is the Apollo Project EVO and why was it made? The Apollo EVO is Apollo's latest hypercar. It is the successor to the Apollo's IE and was made to be the next generation of race cars with its radical design, raw motion, and real driving experience. So let's dive into this hypercar and take a look at its exterior, interior, suspension system, and engine setup. First thing we will take a look at is the exterior of the car. When you look at the Apollo EVO, at first glance you will notice how extreme the body design is and how the X headlight signatures resemble the Bugatti Bolide. And I'm not saying it's a direct copy of Bugatti, but it does enhance the look of the car and really plays out well with the rest of the body design. The front and rear fenders resemble the Apollo IE that is very distinctive when you look on the side of the car. The frontal design has a very sharp, extreme look to it. It provides lots of airflow in the front and side vents. So why does the Apollo EVO has so many open vents in the front, side, and on top of the car? Two key factors supposedly show that these vents help cool down the braking system and engine compartment. So it's clear to see that there are more vents and air ducts that help the engine breathe and take in more oxygen, which is essential for the car's performance. At the rear of the car, we can see a combination of 6 fins with red LED lights flashing at you. This style design is very unique when compared to other hypercars, and the end result is a rear end that looks more like it belongs from a spaceship from Star Wars, and not from a hypercar. But whatever, it flows with the design of the car and makes it more spectacular to look at from behind. If you look very closely at the rear, you can see a triple exit exhaust poking through the middle of the car. This type of exhaust setup is becoming more popular, and it can be seen, like in the Pagani Huayra, McLaren P1 GTR, and the Hennessy Venom F5. Since we covered most of the exterior of the car, let's get into the interior and see what discoveries awaits us. Inside the cockpit has this rectangular shaped steering wheel, and I think it was designed this way so you can see over the dashboard. If we examine closely to the steering wheel, we can see some push buttons for parking, reverse, neutral, high beams, and horn. There is also a light switch and wiper switch, which is really nice there. The square steering wheel is becoming more of a trend that can be seen in the BMW, Mercedes, Bugatti, Lotus, Ferrari, Aston Martin, and the list goes on. In the middle of the dashboard, we see a panel full of push button knobs controlling the AC system, ABS, temperature gauge, and interior control ventilation. As I further examine inside of the car, I don't see a stereo system, or maybe it's located somewhere else in the car. But who needs one, right? We got the V12 engine in the back of the car with the extreme loud sound, which is much better sounding than having music, right? You can also see a lot of carbon fiber parts and leather interior, which is really cool. Let's now focus on the engine compartment and see what's lurking inside. As we take a closer look, we can see inside the engine it's hard to say what's actually there. Curiously, Apollo has never actually stated what type of engine is found beneath the skin of the Project EVO, but based on the sound alone, we suspect it has the same modified V12 engine as the Apollo IE. The Apollo EVO will come with a 6-speed transmission with an electro-pneumatic paddle shifting system. The car utilizes Brembo carbon ceramic brakes with 6 piston calipers up front and 4 piston calipers at the rear, which is the same setup as the Apollo IE. As we take a look at the chassis of the Apollo EVO, we can see that the car is made up almost entirely out of carbon fiber, but it does include high-strength steel, aluminum, and titanium components. The high carbon fiber chassis was designed to provide extra strength and safety to the driver in case of high-speed collision. For performance-wise, the car is capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 in 2 to 2.7 seconds with a projected top speed of 208 miles per hour. So what does the price tag of the Apollo EVO cost you? The car is currently the only one in the world, and it's not known how many will be produced, but the exact pricing can fluctuate between $2.6 to $3 million depending on the options provided. So who owns the Apollo EVO? In January 2016, the company was purchased by Hong Kong consortium Ideal Team Venture. Now let's discuss what is the future of the Apollo automobile company. Just last year, they introduced a new EV car called the Apollo G2J. This prototype has been in development for almost 2 years now and is currently being used for aerodynamic and material testing. To keep it lightweight, most of the car parts and chassis are made from carbon fiber, which will be the material of choice for the future Apollo EV. This is definitely a much better indicator as to what a future Apollo EV might look like, especially since what the company is saying. It does sound like Apollo electric offerings will be quite as extreme and expensive as its gas burner supercars. So now that we've covered most of the interesting facts on the vehicle, let's continue drawing out this car, and please watch till the end to see the final result. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. To support the channel, please visit my website at epicgdesigns.com. I hope to see you guys on my next episode. Peace out.